Okay, this video is for a water heater installation at 3655 4th Street. Permit number is 2021429. Water heater is inside the house. It is in the hallway. There's a smoke detector in the hallway. Customer is going to buy and install smoke detectors for each bedroom. So there are no doors on the closet, or no closet doors. There's an overview of the water heater, pan, both pressure relief and pan drains run outside, drip leg, brand new flex and gas cock, earthquake straps, tight, expansion tank, flue run properly, sealing ring. There is our CO detector, and this is my signed affidavit. So hopefully that's all you need to see.